It's time to make Finnish Christmas ham, Joulukinkku. This 5 or 6 pounds ham has been salted, so we can go straight to boiling it. Bring it to boil and let it simmer for 2 hours with salt, bay leaves, black peppers, white peppers and couple of carrots. Half an onion also is nice addition. This is the difficult part when it's really hot and slippery. very slippery. So we'll use here a bag. This method of baking ham is very popular in Finland. Baking bags are very handy, and you can make sure that the brine is not leaving. But of course, if you have boiled the ham already, it's not going to leak so much of the liquid. So technically it could be done also without the bag. Make sure that the fat side is upwards and let it roast in 350 Fahrenheit until the internal temperature reaches 175 Fahrenheit or about 80 Celsius. And of course mine went a little bit over, but no worries, this can take it. And it also will be still juicy and very good. Then let's remove the net, and then we need to remove the fat also. Then comes the mustard phase, so let's spread some mustard all around the ham and then sprinkle with breadcrumbs. Of course, many people in Finland go straight to baking the ham and not boiling it first. But we have a saying that says that about in English, who roasts the boil gets the good stuff. Something about like that. So it's really a great method of keeping the ham moist and very juicy, but still awesome texture, awesome taste. Here the final touch on the top. We'll after the breadcrumbs, we'll add some cloves there. I'll just make sure that I put them to strategically nicely there by making a kind of a grid on top of the ham. So with these, I return the ham to the oven and roast for a few minutes until breadcrumbs are golden. And then you can eat and enjoy it still warm, or of course next day cold as such, or you can rewarm it, or you can put it on your sandwich. Just add some mustard on top and enjoy. Hyvää joulua!